Hi guys, it's Heather. Today we have a special video. I am doing a unboxing flip through of the XBlush Build magazine. So it's not going to be a very long video, but I figured why not? I haven't done one of these videos in a while. And so let's look at the photo cards that came with the magazine. And shout out to the Build Jakapan USA FC for hosting the giveaway that I won this magazine in. So here are the photo cards. So these are like my first like BL or related Thai actor related photo cards. So am I going to have to start a binder for those photo cards? We'll see. So here is the cover and the side. I think this was the, well, this went on sale at the end of June, so I think this is the July issue. So and XBlush is a Chinese magazine. So here is Build's portion. I love the photos in this photo shoot for this magazine. So that is the end of Build section, but I figured I would flip through the rest of the magazine. So that is the magazine and the photo cards. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.